All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof short wheelbase with 22,000 miles, white with the gray vinyl interior, power windows, power doors, power mirrors, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Seems to have a little dent of some sort here, about 3 to 4 inches, some scuffing next to it. That's some gouging down here. Some more here. And some more scuffing here. Front fender here has a dent, about 3 inches right there. Front passenger, the front driver's steel wheel, tire tread, over 8/32. You got a dent here, 3.6, and on the fender from it, 3.6 as well. This door has a couple of dings, boom, boom, boom. Got some dents here that looks like from the inside out. One right there with paint off, and then a bunch no paint off, but they are here. You can see it. You can see it, and you can see some more there. Of course, here we got some heavy damage as well. Boom. Showing you this, different angles. Right here a piece, and right there another little piece of damage. All right, now of course I'm pretty sure you could buy this piece, this triangle piece. It comes all the way up there. Boom. I put it on here and then just paint it, and that would be it. You got a dent here about 3 to 4 inches. Boom. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tire tread is over 7/32. Got some dents on this door right here. Bump, bump, bump. Now, we're calling this vehicle frame. It's got a bunch of dents in here, which is actually what makes this door not close properly when you're inside of it from just pulling this handle. You need to be on the outside and grab it from here, and then it would close properly. All right, because it needs weight on the top. So it needs new hinges and some body work. All right, guys. Got power windows, power door locks. You got power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Go. Of course, this is what your instrument. Of course, you got your AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera right up here. Boom. What your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Set the tire pressure on your mileage of 22,745. Now I just slammed this door shut, so it did close, but normally it would not close properly, and the light would stay on if you don't slam it or have somebody on the outside. See? Now it's closed. All right, guys. That's pretty good. That's about it. Does come with the 1 key fob combo. Boom, right there. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Like I said, it needs weight from the top in order to close properly. All right. So coming around, rear bumper. Got some dents and stuff like that. It's no big deal. Heavy scratch here. Little dent there. Another heavy scratch next to that. Doors do swing out. Not all the way on the short wheelbase. On the longer wheelbase, it does go all the way. This, of course, is your rear. What's your rear cargo area looks like? You got some dents there on the inner wheel line. Inner wheel well. This door looks pretty good. Doesn't look too beat up. This door, likewise, looks pretty good. Paneling looks good. Things look good. Here we do have a dent from here to here. Some more here. Heavy scratching here. Boom. Alright. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire tread. It's just over 7/32. All right, now we're gonna go up these stairs and check out your roof. And your roof looks pretty darn good. Don't see any damage up there. Okay. I'll even go to the front of it to see how bad, if at all, it is. Got some dent. This one's from the outside in. Another one there from the outside, from the outside, from the outside. But here we got a bunch from the inside. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Let's check out the roof. And on this side, we do seem to have